Now let's go ahead and do how to check case processing times for adjustment of status. So this is one that a lot of individuals are asking, how long is it going to take for me to receive my green card? When am I going to receive my interview for adjustment of status? I'm so confused when I get online to check processing times. I don't see what option I would select. I don't understand where I'm able to see how long it's taking. And so this is one of the unique forms to check with immigration. That's what I will call it. And so let me share my screen again. Okay, so if you have an adjustment of status application pending with immigration and you want to check the status of your case, you'll notice you'll have an I-485 receipt notice, and you will have an I-130 receipt notice. And that's where a lot of people get confused, is they say, okay, my receipt notice says the National Benefit Center, but I'm not seeing how I can check that office. And so how you check how long it's taking for green card applications to be scheduled for an interview and to have a decision made is actually by picking the field office where you are living. So what I mean by that is you will want to check interview processing or case processing times for the green card application by selecting form I-485. That's the one that will tell you, give you an estimate on how long it's taking for interviews to be scheduled. So you would select that option, and then you're going to actually, there isn't going to be a National Benefit Center, you're actually going to select the state, the location, the field office that's closest to your home. And so, for example, if you happen to be living in Boston, then that is where you would check when an estimate is for your green card application by getting the processing times for that location. And so you can see for family-based adjustment of status applications, they don't actually separate it out by whether or not it's a spouse petitioning or a parent. They just kind of group them all together. And so I know it's a big range, but at least you can kind of see an estimate on when your case might be scheduled for an interview if that happens to be your field office. So that's just a unique aspect of the adjustment of status checking case processing times.